What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and ladies and gentlemen, it is Foxtoberfest 2018. It's early, the sun is just barely coming up. It is a little chilly here in Charlotte, but we're about to kick it off. We're getting everything kind of set up. Already got Scott's car there. My car's in the Power by the Hour booth over there. But if you can see way off in the distance, people are starting to pile in. It's going to be a hell of a show. You're not going to want to miss this. Let's go. All right, guys, so like I said, we are just getting fired up here for Foxtoberfest 2018. And this is like the VIP parking area. Already got some cars getting set up here. Then if you can see off in the distance over there, there's an entire line about to come in. This is going to be an absolutely insane day. Ultra sick cars everywhere. Then of course you got another line over there coming in. So I'm super pumped. This is going to be an awesome day. You're not going to want to miss any of this. Alright guys, so you're walking around filming a little bit and you just never know who you're going to run into. That would be Fox Body Rob right here. Sir, what color is your car?
Look at the plate.
Okay, I'll check the plate. Good to see you, bud. See, it's red? That's because every time Rob posts a picture of his car, he gets about 100 questions about what color it is, so he just put "it's red" on the tag. heading through the show field, I definitely have to say this is the year of the alternative Fox body. The Thunderbird, Mark 7. Okay, let's go over here and see what we got here. Look at this freaking wagon. Are you kidding me? This is amazing. Is this original one owner car?
No.
Okay.
He bought it from, I think, somebody else.
Wow. That is amazing.
Both of these are his.
Are they? Okay. This is unfreaking real. Yeah, that is wood grain, y'all. That is wood grain. Then you got Cougar XR7. That is beautiful. And another, now this Thunderbird. Got a little work done under there. And then, of course, the LTD. Reminds me of Mr. Hankey. Rip Mr. Hankey. LTD wagon. Love it. Oh, and the box top. Wow. 2-door box top. I need this in my life right here. With the blue vinyl. That is phenomenal. And then, of course, over here, you got the 2 Mark 7s. Unflipping real. I love it. These things are ultra clean, too. once again, another successful year at Foxtoberfest. It is still kicking. I'm running out of battery. It's just absolutely insane. If you have never been to Foxtoberfest, it is absolutely do not miss event. Even if you just think Fox Bodies are cool, you got to come to it because there is so much win. But guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up, and I appreciate everybody that came out. It's so great to meet everybody, and we'll be back next year. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I will catch you next year in Charlotte for Foxtoberfest 2019. Later.